guys, welcome back to my channel. Dory Vlogs 29 here. How is everyone doing? Guys, go check my video out. Look, my niece gave me a perm. Looking good, right? She did a great job. Alright guys, today we're doing another juice video, natural juice video. And what's on the menu today? Alright, I'm glad you asked. Alright guys, so we have cucumbers, we have spinach, we have lemon, and we have lettuce. Alright guys, so this is gonna be a quick video, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash and peel my vegetables, and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm gonna start by peeling my cucumbers. Guys, and I love the smell of cucumber. It smells so good and refreshing. Head off myself there. Quick and fast, guys. No pretty thing, just peeling real quick. Like my life depends on it. And you know what? I think I could have done the cucumber with the skin on there. I should have done that. Just wash them real good and leave the skin on. Salt my way a little bit. Like I said, it's a quick and fast video as well. Hold on guys, let me get, oh here it is. Just gonna go for a sharper knife because that one feels a little dull. And I'm using 2 lemon. Oops, anyway, right here. All right, stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna wash the spinach and the lettuce next. Here we go, guys. Washing up the spinach. We're using oil and our lettuce. Get rid of the wilted part. Tear it apart. I think the lettuce is managing me, guys, instead of the other way around. Aha! Just have to put some mussel in there. I think we got enough. So here, full bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and wash. So stay tuned, guys. And we're washing. Alright guys, and I'm going to use some vinegar to wash off the greens. Get rid of any parasites. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and cut up the cucumber. And the last piece. There we go. Time to squeeze my lemons. And we're squeezing. Get that pulp in there. What, long ears about that, right? Oh God, don't mind me, guys. Don't mind me. All right, get the seeds out. Again, guys, I tell you, it's a quick video I'm doing. So I don't even have my strainer handy. Getting out the seeds, guys. The seeds. I can't even talk. I can't talk. All right, that's good. Stay tuned. All right, now we're gonna load the blender. That's enough for one. Get the lemon juice. And let me get some water. Where did I put my top? Right here. Slide that bad boy on. And time to blend, guys. All right, guys, and now we're straining. Look at that green, nice color. Wow. Okay, guys, and we're gonna give credit to the spinach. Yeah, spinach give it that green, that vibrant green color. Stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys, so you know I always have facts about my juices, okay? So today we did spinach, lettuce, and cucumber. And these three offer a blend of nutrients, including vitamins and minerals. They boost immunity, improves digestion, and promotes healthy skin and hair. And it also aids in weight management. Okay, so spinach is rich in vitamin A and C, and the high fiber content in it and lettuce promotes regular bowel movements. As for the cucumber supports collagen production, which is vital for skin elasticity and hair growth. Yes, guys, so you know what? I'm gonna be drinking a lot of this. Yes, guys, and you want to know why? I'm gonna show you. Look at this side of my hair compared to this side. I don't know what's wrong. This side is so stubborn. So every time what I do, I'll clip this side to match the shorter side, right? And this side continues to grow back longer. So, yep, you can see? You see the difference? And look at this side. So, as I said, cheers. I'll be drinking more of this juice because it just tells us that it is good for hair and it's good for skin. So, guys, I'll be juicing. I'll be making my green juice. And then after a couple months, we're definitely gonna come back and see if it works, if it's true. All right, guys, thank you so much for always tuning in with Dory Vlogs. I appreciate all the love, all the support. Stay tuned for another one. Bye. Thanks for watching, everyone. Until next time. Blessings, big up, manners, and respect to all my lovely viewers and subscribers. Thank you so much for always coming back. Guys, remember to like, to share, and to comment. Dory Vlogs 29. Hit that post notification bell so you will know every time I do online here. Peace.